Understanding New Chapter, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, new chapter. This phrase is rich in meaning and used in various contexts. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your conversations and writing. A chapter is a section of a book, typically one that is numbered or titled. When we say new chapter, literally, it means starting a new section in a book. But in English, this phrase goes much deeper than just turning a page in a story. In a figurative sense, new chapter refers to beginning a new phase or period in life, work, or any situation. It signifies a fresh start, often following a significant change or event. For example, starting a new job, moving to a different city, or beginning a new relationship can all be described as starting a new chapter in life. New chapter is commonly used in everyday English, especially during times of change. People often use it during New Year's resolutions, graduations, or career changes. It's a phrase that conveys optimism and the possibility of new opportunities. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. After 5 years in the same job, I'm ready for a new chapter in my career. Moving to Canada marks a new chapter in our family's life. Graduating from college is not the end, it's the beginning of a new chapter. The phrase, new chapter, also holds cultural significance in many English-speaking countries. It's associated with progress, hope, and the notion that one can always start over or make improvements in their life. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, new chapter, in English. It's a beautiful expression of hope, change, and new beginnings. Remember, every day is an opportunity to start a new chapter in your story. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.